It's been almost 3 years since Google and Levi's first announced their smart jacket, back at the height of the tech industry's obsession with wearables. The Levi's commuter trucker jacket, with Google's Jacquard, had a refreshingly simple premise. It's a garment targeted at cyclists, or, jean jacket wearers, who can shell out $350 to avoid having to repeatedly whip out their phone during their commute. It has touch-sensitive fibers woven into the cuff, so you can swipe or tap on your wrist to carry out quick tasks. Jacquard's not here to track your fitness or run your life, it just wants to make your commute a bit easier. Because of that, the first iteration focused on a relatively narrow set of applications. You could tap or swipe on the left cuff to control your music, have your incoming messages read out to you, or find out where to make your next turn. A Bluetooth dongle tucked away in the sleeve talks to your phone to make all this happen. Since launching Jacquard, Google's added some small updates, letting you find your phone or make the Bluetooth dongle light up. But nothing super exciting. Now, it's finally getting an update that brings a few more useful features. You can bookmark places you pass in the Jacquard app and get alerts when your Lyft or Uber are arriving. If you own a pair of Bose Quiet Comfort 30 or 35 headphones, you can use your jacket to toggle noise cancellation. These aren't groundbreaking changes, but they are useful in specific scenarios. I definitely appreciated knowing when my ride was arriving without having to stare at my phone. The jacket vibrated when my taxi was on the same block, giving me ample time to go outside. I set my sleeve to bookmark my location when I brushed outwards from my wrist towards my fingers, and went about saving places like sample sale pop-ups and restaurants I wanted to check out. For people who like exploring their cities, this is also a useful addition. The new updates work, as do the other existing features, as long as your jacket remains linked to your phone. But the connection between the Bluetooth tag and my Pixel 2 frequently dropped out, rendering the garment useless.
Unable to determine your location.
When the jacket does perform as it's supposed to, though, it almost feels like magic. I really appreciate the convenience it adds. The battery life on the Bluetooth tag is a respectable 2 days, and it's so unintrusive that I often forget it's there. At $350 though, the commuter jacket isn't cheap, and it's about twice the price of the dumb garment it's based on. But it's a high-quality, durable piece of clothing that's stylish enough to match most outfits. For now, it has a limited audience, but the Jacquard platform holds plenty of promise, especially as Google continues, bit by bit, to explore ways to make it truly useful.